Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here, and in today's video we're going to look into the time-based execution module. So here we're going to look into how to send automated orders from Algomojo using time-based execution. So we're going to look into the basic features of Algomojo, how at a particular time how we can send orders to your broker server. That is what we're going to look into that. Now, in order to do that, right, so you have to go and download the charting module for sending time-based execution. So in my case, I had already downloaded that Algomojo timing module. However, if you want to do that, you have to go to the Algomojo portal. So let me go to the Algomojo portal over here. Go to the tool section. From the tool section, go to the Amibroker's module. From there, you should be able to download the Algomojo timing module here. So click on the download button. You should be able to download that AFL and bring that AFL to your Amibroker. In my case, I already brought it and it's there. So now what you can do is you can drag and drop this module on top of the charts. So automatically it asks for an API key and API secret key. However, even if you press OK mistakenly also, you can retrieve it by right clicking and going to the parameters. You'll be able to get the API key and API secret key. Is the first thing you have to fill it over here. So in order to fill it, go to the Algomojo portal, go to my API section, copy the API key and also copy the API secret key and paste it over here. While pasting, ensure that there are no spaces you are leaving. So I'm copying the API secret key as well. So once you're done with that, next thing you have to do is that at what time you want to set the execution, right? So exactly with time, with second you can set it. So the time is like 22:04:38. I'm gonna send an order to 22:05 exactly. I'm gonna send a sell signal to crude oil. So I'm gonna change the symbol type to crude oil 20 November future contract. So basically November crude oil is what I'm gonna send orders. Exchange is MCX. So I'm gonna send 40 orders, 40 lots to the exchange. Exactly at that time the orders will be sent, right? And also I'm going to change it to I think probably the trigger would have been done, and one more trigger I'm going to set at 22:06. So time is 22, one of the order would have been went. So 22:06 is what one more execution I'm just looking out for. So I'm going to enable the execution as well. So if you see that enabling the execution automatically changes the background, that means Algo is running. So you can have a quick aware about that background environment that Algo is running in the backend. And now let me show you side by side the execution of the previous execution which happened there already. One of the crude oil execution, it happened exactly around 22:05. Right at that second, and one more order it will be sent, probably a couple of seconds it will be, one more order will be get punched. Let's see. So another 5 seconds we are there. Order should be get punched anytime by now. I guess yes, there we go. The order has been there. So that means the orders has been exactly getting fired at a split second. The orders are coming and reaching the Algomojo from Amibroker instantly. So likewise, you can go to the My API section where all the modules will be listed. You don't need to update any softwares or tools. Instantly, it will be available in the cloud. All you have to go to is that you have to go to the tool section, Amibroker modules, and from there you can download all the execution modules. Going forward, more and more execution modules will be listed in the Amibroker module section. More smartness will be added. So see you again in the next upcoming video, and more interesting features are coming by. Stay tuned. Thank you.